What's up everyone? Let's have a look at these channels at first. You must have seen these viral content creators, like especially Fern. Everybody knows Fern. Has millions of subscribers, just 124 videos. Why? Because these guys are posting videos based on psychological factors, history, and general knowledge, exact facts, and visual storytelling patterns. So these guys are using 3D models, 3D animations, match cut, transitions, overlay edits, and documentary type videos to get or be popular within a very short time. These are their video scenes that we will be making today. So you can see these 3D model type character animations that tells your story, which turns out really a gathering hook for the viewers and the audience. So let's have a look at what we are making today.
They said no one could escape this prison. They were wrong. 3 steel doors, armed guards, motion sensors everywhere. But every night, one camera went dark for exactly 12 seconds. No alarms, no gunshots, just silence. By morning,
the tunnel entrance is here, Sector Gamma. It bypasses the main security
went
grid.
into total
Confirmed.
lockdown.
We initiate the breach at
Then
0300 local time.
investigators discovered something impossible.
They're breaching the door. Send help now.
Inside the walls for years, someone on the inside helped him disappear. And to this day, nobody knows where he went.
First of all, we need a prompt. So I have a prompt for you guys. So we will be making 3D documentary videos. The scenes we will generate in a very storytelling manner. Here I have the video idea part, and then there is the visual generation. So the prompt is divided into 2 categories. Copy these video ideas and then go to ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT and paste your prompt here and hit on generate. Now ChatGPT will give you 10 topics that we will be making our documentary clip using the 3D models. Just select one of these. So I'll just select how a prisoner escaped the world's safest prison, and then go back to our prompt again. Now it's time for the second prompt. So select this part till the end, copy this and go to ChatGPT and paste it here. But before hitting on enter, you see there is an insert topic area. So you need to place your topic inside this insert topic area. So just select this, copy this and paste it here. How a prisoner escaped the world's safest prison, and then hit on generate. After that, ChatGPT will give you a full scene prompt along with the narrator lines. So here you can see there are more than 9 scenes, almost 10 scenes, and each scene consists of voiceover script, visual prompt, this is the image prompt, and this is the video prompt. So we need to generate our image. For that we will use Flow for both the image generation and the video generation. So copy this scene once, image prompt, and go to Google Flow. Navigate to Google Flow AI, enter into their website. If you are not signed in, just sign in with your Google account. We are here in Google Flow. Take a new project, select Nano Banana 2 image and select 16:9 ratio. You can also select the real ratio 9:16. It's totally up to you. Select the output, number of outputs, and then paste your prompt here. And then hit on generate. So this is our first image that Flow AI has generated. So you can just save it, and now it's time to turn this image into visuals. We will go to Flow again. This time select video and then select your ratio and then select VO3 fast and drop your image here. The first image that we just saved, drop the image here and paste your prompt here. We need to go back to our ChatGPT and paste our video prompt of scene 1 and copy this video prompt of scene 1. Copy this and go back to Flow and paste it here and then hit on generate. So once our video is generated, let's watch the video. So you can see there is a watermark. I still have an idea to get rid of this watermark, so I'll tell you later part of this tutorial. So just like this, we need to repeat the same process and generate all the, and just download this and then go back to flow again. So this is our second image. Just save it and go back to flow again and go back to flow again and drop our second image here and go back to the prompt and select the second video prompt and paste it here. Select video, take all the settings and then hit on generate. And here is the second clip. Just like this, repeat the same process for all of these scenes till scene number 10. Now all that remained is to generate these voiceover lines. To generate these voiceover lines, go to 11 labs. Now once you are in 11 labs, select your voice, select text to speech, then select your voice. So I'll just select this one. And now what we need to do is copy and paste our scripts, the voiceover script here. So now once the full script is ready to be generated, just search, just hit on
A tree.
generate.
They said no one could escape this prison. They were wrong. 3 steel doors.
So I'll just download this. Now once you're done generating all of the clips, now it's time to edit all of the clips and arrange or align them properly. So I'm using CapCut. You can also use any other basic video editing software. So you can use Premiere Pro, After Effects, whatever you want. Just we need some basic editing. Add transition and align the clips one after another in a sequence and add the voiceover. So drag all of your clips here on the import box and then drag them on your timeline one by one. So one after another in a sequence. As you can see, I have already delayed like one or like this, so it'd be easier for me to arrange properly. Now drag your voiceover here. So as you can see, the clips are already stacked here. It does not match, so you may have to shorten some of the clips.
They said no one could escape this prison. They were wrong.
So I'll just select all the clips and make them faster. But there are some unnecessary clips for now. Let's cut them first. Suppose I don't want this part of this. So I will just close it.
One camera went dark for exactly 12 seconds. No alarms.
And there will be a cut here. I will use some transition. This is also unnecessary. There is no need of this clip.
What are those things? Help us!
So just cut them, crop them according to your own need. So now I'll just increase the speed of these clips.
They said no one could escape this prison. And to this day, nobody knows where he went.
So it's time for adding some of the transitions here. So I'll go for the transitions and add a suitable one that matches each and every.
Wrong. 3 steel doors. Motion sensors everywhere. But every night, one
So I'll add some transitions properly here.
camera went dark for exactly 12 seconds. No alarms. By morning, the cell was empty. Investigators discovered something impossible.
Now let's create a compound clip of this whole clip and select the ratio here. I'll edit the ratio to 4:3. So I'll just drag out this VEO3 watermark out of the borders. So now it will look without watermark 3.
They said no one could escape this prison. They were wrong.
So this is the video will look like. So just export it. Also, you can use the subtitles as just like I am using the subtitles from the caption, then generate the caption, but it will be considered as the pro feature you are using because the generating automatic captions included in the premium version of CapCut. So if you want to export now, then you will have to have the CapCut Pro version. But don't worry, as I provide free methods, so I also know a method by which you can export any kind of video using these pro features, like for effects, transition, or any pro feature. If you use them on your video, and then if you face a notification like this to get free pro and then try for free, or try their premium subscription to access the pro features, by following that method you can export any video with pro features for absolutely free. Just like I will export this video for absolutely free despite having a free version of CapCut. Comment below if you want a quick tutorial on how to export pro featured videos on CapCut for absolutely free. Just let me know in the comments. I will make a full tutorial which will be a very fast paced and easy to follow. So let me know in the comments if you want how to export for free using pro features in CapCut. So that's it for today. Hope you had the free premium guide on how to make 3D character animation documentary visuals just like this you can use in your edits. These type of clips are very useful for documentary edits. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and comment below what tutorial you want me to cover up for the next video. So till then, take care. Thank you for watching. This is Howzia.